Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So after long time we are here. So today we'll see the list in Python. Okay, last time we also seen some Python tutorials. So now the topic is list. Okay, list means what? Means uh, some list, like how you make some list of fruits, list of what we can say trees, different type of trees are there. So on from on that list how we can work, that I will tell you in Python. Okay, that I'll tell you today. So you can see here, this is I have taken one variable, that is Python new, and we have taken one list. Okay, here all fruits are there like grapes, banana and orange. Suppose if you want to print this list, directly you can write like print list name, and if you execute this, you will get all the fruit names. Okay, so this is a simple list. Same you can see here, see list, it will take repeated numbers or words also. Okay, you can see here, because one more is there, that is tuple. It will not take same words, but in list it will take. Okay, you can see here we have taken cherry, then also it is taking. If you execute this, it will work, it will tell cherry and cherry. Okay, here what we have done, we have taken three lists. Okay, first list is fruit, then numbers, and this is a true and false. Suppose if you want to print all the lists at a time, you can print like this, like print list 1, print list 2, print list 3. Okay, so you will get the result like this. Okay, to save the time, I have written all the programs, just I will explain you how it will work and all. Now you can see here, one list is there. In that we have taken all the letters also are there and numbers also are there. Okay, string is also there, number is also there. Means list, it will take all the numbers, like all the things it will take, like string also it will take, and it will take number also. Okay, so if you print this, it will print. Okay, you can see the result here. String is also there, number is also there, true false. Means list, in short list, it will take all the things. It may be same or it may be different, like string, numbers and all. In some functions, or there will be a condition like we need to take only string, only numbers, but in list we can take anything. Okay, same here also. See here, I have seen what the type of list. Okay, this is a my list. Suppose if you know how to see the type of list, so if you type like this type of my list, it will tell the type is what, list. Okay, same here also I have printed, it is repeated now. You can see here, by using index also we can see the uh, any string. Suppose I want the index for this cherry, so from backside, from minus to 0 I am going. So minus 1 means what it will take, it will count this cherry as -1, -2, -3. This is -1 means it is printing cherry. Suppose if I write here 2 and execute, it will give banana because it is -2. And suppose if I write here normal 2, it will take cherry 0, 1, 2. Okay, so like this you can count from front also and from back also, but you need to take minus and plus, like that. Okay, this is a slicing we can say. You can see, suppose if you want to print only the string from 2 to 5. Okay, so for that you can use 2 raised to 5. So it will, what it will give, 0, 1, 2. Cherry, it will start from 2, 2, 3, 4, 5 it will not take. Okay, remember this, it will take one less. So till kv it is counting. This is a slicing we can say. And one more thing here, I'll show you. See, I have taken here just colon and 4. What it will do, it will take from first to till 4, means one less, that is 3. Till 3 it will take 0, 1, 2, 3. From 0, suppose if you are not mentioning first number also, it will take, just you write colon 4. And here we have written what, 2 colon, means from 2 to till end it will count. See, 0, 1, 2. 2 is what, cherry. From 2 to till end, that is mango. It will count from here to here. Okay, I hope you are getting all the things. Suppose if you have any questions, queries, please comment in comment box. Okay, then next you can see here, I have taken here -4 to -1. So what it is doing, it is taking from -4 to -1. Okay, then suppose sometime what will happen, if you want to change the item in list, that time you can write like this. See, this is our list. I want, instead of this one index that is 0 1, instead of banana I want black currant. Okay, so what I will do, list underscore new 1 is equal to black currant. So if you print that, it will go this black currant in banana, instead of banana will print this. So like this you can change the item also from list. Okay, here suppose if you want to check if banana is present in the list, we can check that also by using if. See here, this is our list. Here I have taken if apple is in list, it is there, yes, it will print it is there. Suppose if you take else, it will tell it is not there, like that. Then by using for loop also we can print the list. See, this is our list. Okay, what it will do, it will print all the items from this list. So what it is doing, it is printing all the items. For that, what I have taken, for x, one variable in list new, means list new I am inserting in x, and if I give print x, it will print all the items from list. Suppose if you want to see the length of list, you can use this function, that is length, len, and the list name, so it will give the length of this list. Okay, if you want to delete, simple delete function is there, you can use it will delete the list. If you want to clear, see, Python is so easy, there is some function like delete, clear, len. By using that only we can easily do the programming. Here you can see I have taken list, and range I have taken, that is 0, 100 and 5. It means that 0 means it will start from 0 and end is 100. 5 is nothing but what, it will increment by 5. Okay, 5 is increment. You can see here, see, it is 0, then 5, see, it is incremented by 5 only. Okay, so like this we can use this range function. Okay, then see here, I have taken one string. Okay, one string is there, Karthik. I want this string in list. So what I have done, d is equal to list of s. I have written only list of s. So what it is doing, it is printing this name in list. Okay, so like this we can do string in list. Suppose if you want to replace any word from this line, then you can use function replace. Instead of difficult, we'll use what, easy. So it will replace difficult to easy. So you can see here, learning Python is very easy. I have written a difficult, but it is replaced in what, easy. So like this we can play with this list functions. Okay, see, this is a nested list, we can say, because in list there is a one more list. So this list we called as nested list. So you can print like this. Next, accessing element of list. Suppose if you want to access the element from list, by using this index function you can access the element from that list. Okay, then same I have told you this, like first will be start, 5 will be the end, and the 1 will be the increment. Start, stop and step like that it is. Then find the odd number in given string. Suppose if I want to find the odd number from this given string, you can use the for loop. Okay, for if x percentage of 2, then what it will do, because it is not equal to 0, odd is not equal to 0, right? So it will print all the odd numbers. I will execute this. You can see here, because here odd number are only 3, 5, 9, so it is printing only 3, 5 and 9. Okay, suppose if you have any empty string, empty list, and if you want to append some items on that list, that time you can use append function. You can use append and you can insert the element in list. Okay, see, it is so easy, I can say. Then add an element at the end of the list. See, suppose if you want to add some element at the end, or one element at the end of this list, see what I am doing here, I am adding this list in above list. See, a append of b means b will be appended in a. You can see here, see this answer. Okay, this is appended, and this answer is what, a of 3 of 1. A of 3 is what, Okay, 0 1 2 means in second, at the end of 3, what we are inserting, so sorry, we are printing BMW. Okay, so here what we are doing, we are printing what, BMW. Okay, then the clear method removes all the elements from a list. See, clear, what it will do function, it will remove all the things from that list. Then count, as I told you, it will count the, suppose if you give anything here, string, you can give item, you can give number, it will count how many are there. Here also we are counting, same, it is in string, it is in number. Okay, see, if you want to see whether the string is, sorry, list is empty or not empty, you can use this function if else, and you can see whether it is empty or not, right? Okay, so it is telling not empty because in L there are numbers, right? So it is not empty. Then here I told you how to extend. Okay, L3 dot extend L4 means L4 by extending L3. If you want to remove, you can remove by using remove function, you can remove. See, I have removed 20 from this L3 list. This is a L3 list. You can see here there is no 20 because I have removed that. Okay, suppose if you want to do sorting, by using sort function you can do the sorting. You can see here A because it is sorting like alphabet, first A B C like that. So A and D. Suppose if I write here any B, it will sort like this. Okay, so this is about the list. You can search more example in Google, you will get, and you can solve. This is a basic of list. So I hope you got all the things. Suppose if you have any queries or question, please comment it in comment blogs. We'll reply to that. And please like, share and subscribe to our channel. So thank you so much everyone. Thank you.